First, on your Android tablet, go to the Google Play Store. Search for RCX for Android. And choose Install. Once installed, navigate to the RCX clone application on the tablet and open the program. Select the Add button. Here, choose the cloud file space provider that you use. I will select Google Drive and hit Next. Now we need to name the cloud space. I will name it iDig Cloud, then hit Next. Choose the Google Drive account you want to use with iDig. Then scroll down and select Continue. Now, we have to export the configuration file. Press the menu button. Choose Export or Clone Config. We now need to get the clone file onto the iDig control box. To do this, select Files. Then, select Downloads. Select the menu icon next to the rclone.conf file. I will then choose Share and email the file to myself so I can place it on a USB stick. Your USB stick should look like this. Next, plug the USB into the iDig control box. Next, in the Connect software, go to Basic Settings. Here, choose Storage. And lastly, select Import. Select the rclone.conf file on the USB and choose Open. And that's it. We now have access to the iDig Google Drive space directly from the control box.